your shifter won't shift or it keeps slipping off the gear. You're gonna be looking at the derailleur hanger right there. It's probably bent like this. So we're gonna take this one right here. So this is the 2017 Yeti SB6 if you got Yeti. And we're gonna take the tire off. You can tell it's a little bit off. So this is the first thing you look at if the gear won't, keeps lifting off and it gets stuck on the gear. Okay, so it's not your limiter switch, so it's the derailleur. Let's go. So this is what I'm gonna put in here. I mean, it's fairly used, so it's a decent shape. It's straight. That's all it matters. Okay, so this is what the derailleur looks like for Yeti SB6. So now we got the tire off. So first thing first, this is what it looks like at the back. Look at all the dirt. So that's the back side of it. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take that bolt right there. So we're gonna use size 5 Allen wrench. Stick it in there, lefty loosey, crank it. Now turn it to your left. So it is out right now. Move it to the side. Okay, so what's next one is the black one right there. This one is not righty-tighty, it's backwards. It's the opposite way. Let's go. Like what I was saying, to tighten them up, you're gonna go lefty-loosey. You see that arrow, you're gonna go left. If you wanna remove it, righty-tighty. So I'm gonna go right, clockwise. You see that? So, you see it's out. There's a big hole up in there. So this is the used one. I mean, fairly new. You're just gonna match it up. You see that pointy? It's pointing towards front right there. Blow, just like that. So we got this thing like what I said. You're gonna go left, lefty loosey to tighten them up. It's opposite way. So tighten it. So this is size 6. So you hand tight it and then you use your Allen. Oop, I think I need. So we're gonna get the one at the bottom. I got the one on top. Because I was holding the camera, so it fell off. So we're gonna get this one righty-tighty. Okay, remember this one is size 5. Right there. So everything is right there. Test it out. Make sure it shifts properly. Let's go.